Hello, James Graney here from internetbizuni.com, and in this video I am going through the comments of yesterday's video and just giving you the answers to questions that you still have. So most of the questions were around ranking your product, and again you can go back and have a watch of the video. I will link it up in the description here of yesterday's video. But after yesterday's video, most of the questions in the comments were in regards to ranking your products and just the finer details on how you should go about selling your products so that you can rank them higher in Amazon search. And the first question that I received came in from Abdi, and he said, my question is, when launching a product, is it better to extremely lower your price? For example, you will normally sell for $25, but during your launch you will sell for $12 and do PPC and Facebook ads. This method you get verified reviews. Okay, so this is what Abdi said in the comments of yesterday's video. And just to respond to that, what I think he's kind of coming to is, do I just launch my products at, we'll say, a 50% off sale price? So instead of having them for sale on Amazon at $25, I've that $25 stroked out and it's now $12. And what I do is I run this promotion for a few days. And again, you don't have to run it at 50% off. You can run it at 10% off if you have a large enough list. And that's what I would advise you to do. Only run it at 50% off if you have a very small list and you want to get as many sales as possible. But yes, this is the way you would do it. You would just lower your price on Amazon, your sales price, and then move it up slowly after your sale. So again, you don't want to go for $12 and then, a day later be back up at $25. You want to move it back up slowly so that you're still picking up sales as the days go on. So we'll say today your product is selling for $12. What you can do is you can put it up to $15 tomorrow, up to $17 the next day, $20 the next day, and eventually back up to $25, which you plan to sell at. And this works out better on Amazon because you're getting sales all the time at the different price points. So if you are doing a 50% off, then you should definitely step up your price back up this way so that you're not simply going from $12 up to $25. And also you are a lot better off to run it for less. So if you can only give 10% off and still make enough sales to get your product ranked onto page 1, then definitely do this. Only give 10% off and run your sale the same way. I don't use discount codes for the simple reason that you're going to get more of these reviews disqualified by Amazon, because Amazon will look at more of your sales if you have gave out discounted codes as being incentivized, and they can just delete your reviews. And I had a lot of reviews deleted, and I noticed that more of them had came from when using a discount code. So I simply just don't use a discount code for it. But you don't have to worry if you do use discount codes, because you are allowed to use them. They're not against Amazon's terms of service. Amazon still allow you to get sales using discount codes, but it was just my preference to not use it and just to lower the sales price, because as well as this, I find that the products rank better if the sales are coming through Amazon's search engine as normal. So if they're just coming through at your sales price, I find that it improves the rank better than if it's all coming through discount codes. But again, you can do the test for yourself and see how you figure out. It's just my preference on doing it that way. And yes, Abdi, to the second part of your question, you can run Facebook ads during this period or Amazon PPC. Both of these methods work. But what you are better off doing for the long term is building your own audience, because again, when you're running ads, you're not going to be sure how many people are going to purchase, because it's a totally new audience that you're selling to. Whereas if you've built this audience over the years, and we'll say you're on product number 2 now, then you will have an idea of how many sales you will be able to make from your audience from when you ran a previous sale, whether it's on the same product or a different product in the past. So definitely, if you haven't started already, then start to build your own audience, because we'll say if you have 1,000 people on your email list or in your Facebook group or whatever way you plan to grow your audience, then you will be able to go to this list knowing that you have already showed them your product. They're already familiar with your product, and even a slight sale will be enough to get them to purchase. Like, you can just run a 10% off sale and start making sales from your existing audience. Whereas if it's a brand new audience, it's harder to get them to convert because they are brand new to your product. And that's why you will have to give away more of a discount to get them to make a purchase on your product. And then there was another question in the comments. It's from Felix C is the name, and it says, when it comes to sales, does Amazon algorithm consider all sales equal? For example, let's say someone bought your product at full price and then a second person buys the same product at a discounted price, such as 50% off. Are both of these sales weighed equally by Amazon, or is the discounted product weighed at half of the sale since it was bought at 50% off? So this is a similar questions to Abdi's, and yes, you are better off giving less of a discount if possible. So if a lot of people came through and purchased your product at full price compared to a lot of people coming purchasing it at half price, then the full price sales are going to work more in your favor, because you will not be, putting your price up. You will not be reducing sales this way. You will be able to keep consistent sales at whatever price you set it at. So by having this in place, by being able to make sales at your full price, being having people on alert to purchase your product from the start at full price, is the best way to launch it. But I do understand that it takes you time to get to this level, and if you've just started building your audience, if you're just launching your first product, then it's harder to do this. So the next best thing is to get sales at a discounted price for your product. And although it does have a slight impact, it doesn't have a massive impact. So if you are just to simply reduce your price of your product and start making sales, then you're going to get ranked, because you're still going to be making a lot of sales at your discounted price. So you will be improving your rank all of the time with each of the sales that you make. Even if they are at a highly discounted rate, this will still be improving your sales rank and your position that Amazon ranks your product in their search engine. So you can use discounts to get more sales on your products. But again, the way that I rather to do it is by setting the sales price in Amazon so that all of Amazon's customers can purchase your product during this sale, and that it's not just to the people that you give discount codes to. I just find that it works a lot better, and you will start making a lot more organic sales during your sales, which again will help you boost up in Amazon's rankings even more so than if you were just to give like 90% off coupon codes to a lot of people that you know, and they were to purchase your product, then you won't be getting the organic sales on Amazon, which will even boost your rankings even higher. So to clearly answer your question, the less of a discount that you have to give, the better, simply because you will be able to continuously make more organic sales at this price. But if you have to give a deep discount, then that is okay, but just step up your price when you're putting your price back up on Amazon. And the more sales that you can make at less at a discount, or even no discount from the start, the more organic sales that you can make on your product, the better that will be for your search ranking as well. So I hope that this video answers the question from the comments. There was also another question in the comments, well, more of a suggestion that I change my camera angle. So I've changed it for this video. So I forget who it was that left the comment, but whoever it was, you can leave a comment below again, let me know if this angle is better to have the camera at than the angle that I had it in the last video. Because in the last video you were saying there was too much height above my head, too much empty space. So I decided to change things around for this video. So let me know what you think of this camera angle down in the comments below. If you haven't already started your own private label brand and you're looking for a course to teach you exactly how to start your own unique private label brand of products, then you can check out the unique private label course. I'll leave the link down in the description below, so you can jump down and click on that, and you will see all of the different videos that are inside that course. And I am currently updating the advanced private label course. I'm still updating it all the time and add new videos to it. I want to make it, a really compact course that teaches you kind of every little thing that I do to increase my sales, increase my profit on Amazon. So I'm trying to, really make sure that that's right when I have it launched, and that has everything inside that you need. So I'm not 100% sure when I will be opening that course again, but the unique private label course is open if that's what you're looking for. If not, the advanced private label course will be open again in the future, and you can click on the advanced private label link down in the description and add your email address, and I will email you when I open it again in the future. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon. Bye.